Kuse AI review. Is this AI worth it? Well, let's find out. So what is Kuse AI? It's a visual AI enhanced workspace designed for professionals like researchers, creators, educators, and analysts. It lets you upload diverse content like PDFs, Excel files, videos, URLs, and then instantly organizes them visually on an infinite canvas. The AI supports you in generating documents, slides, and infographics and polished deliverables using its match gen. So as you can see here, you can just drop files onto the canvas, then select the content, and then ask anything that you want. And then you can just get amazing results. So basically, it's that simple. You can have the ideation and some brainstorming, visual creativity, study, research and data analyst, and even an interactive guide. So you can have this guy right here if you want to learn more. So basically, ask it anything, just type on the prompts. So it comes with its strengths. It has its legitimacy as well. So it has a robust parsing and structure. They also have a visual canvas interface, which is what you can see here. It is very, very visually. They even have a multimodal content processing, and they even have reliable information features. They also have a freemium model with free trial, although it comes with some limitations. So there's no mobile apps yet, so it's fully web-based. It also has a learning curve for new users, so it's not that easy to learn. It also has a limited offline functionality, so it requires internet access. There's no offline editing capabilities. So in conclusion, Kuse AI is a very worth it platform. It is a legitimate and innovative productivity platform, offering powerful visual processing of messy content into structured outputs like documents, slides, or web pages using an AI-enhanced canvas. It's worth trying if you frequently work with the fragmented materials and want fast, consistent deliverables without switching between multiple tools.